Hello there guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new, my name is Marika, and for today's video I decided to do this crazy Euphoria makeup inspired for today's video. I've been seeing a lot in social media, YouTube, that people are doing this Euphoria makeup. I know it's inspired by a TV show. Is it in Netflix? I'm not sure. I haven't seen any of the shows yet, but I have been loving all of the makeups that I've been seeing all over Instagram or YouTube. So I decided to put my spin on it, and then I did put jewels on it. Next week I want to do the purple wing liner with the jewels on it. I thought that would be really pretty and really easy to recreate. But for this makeup look, I decided to use the Jaclyn Hill's palette. And I only showed what I did for my eye, and then for my jewels, I got this thing, like a jewel assorted like acrylic set a long time ago, and I used it for my Halloween video that I did a long time ago, and I saved it just in case I needed to redo that makeup again or whatever. So this came really handy, and I just picked out the little crystal ones, as you guys can see, and it's really easy. I didn't really do a lot on the face because my eye makeup is already so crazy. And yeah, so if you want to keep on watching and see how I did this makeup look, then just keep on watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye! Hey guys, I just wanted to quickly come back here for the voiceover. Basically, I'm really not going to tell you what I'm doing because it's pretty much self-explanatory. But yeah, I will be coming back to talk to you guys on how I did things with my face and everything like that. So hopefully everything will make sense in this video, even though I'm not showing you guys anything else. Okay? Alright guys, bye!
This
Okay, so I'm done with all of the eye makeup. I don't know, I might add more jewels. I have no idea, but we'll see when I apply like all of my lipstick and stuff like that. But for my highlighter, I am using the Pure Bronze and Brighten palette, and basically I am just going to use that pretty shade right there in the middle, and I feel like this is gonna make me glow so much. So we will see. Look at that. I feel like that is a euphoric look right there. Might be a little too much, but yup. Look at that highlight. Like holographic. Oh my god. Yep. So pretty. I look like a unicorn now. Yeah. Okay. I don't really know what to do for the lips. I don't really have a lot of clear, like nudish, pinkish gloss or like lipstick at all. So I'm just gonna use this Morphe lip gloss that I got from like a long time ago. So